My last walk out. Oh, man. Really emotional for me to leave all the rest of my team. I mean, a lot of us just met for the very first time, and what we accomplished is amazing, and I don't know, but anyway, I am on the road back to Minnesota right now, and let me get my seatbelt on so no one yells at me and tells me I'm being unsafe. But here we go. This is it. We're leaving and getting on the road. And here we go. We're one last time. I don't know if you can see through the back window or not. But here we go.